tasty. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a blueberry banana smoothie. Okay, so before I go, as is customary, remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching, thank you for subscribing, and thank you so much for always commenting. All right, so let's dive, and remember to follow me on all social handles. Okay, TikTok, Facebook. Yeah, follow me on Facebook, guys. Like my videos, I have lots of reels. Go ahead and like them and follow me from the reels. Also, I have lots of shorts and my video. Go ahead and check them out. Okay, thank you so much. So let's dive right into this blueberry banana smoothie. So I have here one ripe banana, some blueberry, I have some flaxseed and chia seed in this bowl. I have my milk. I have some agave for a little sweetness, and I have some cube ice. So let's go ahead and whip up this blueberry banana smoothie. Okay, so let's add the banana to the blender, the bullet that is. Oh, and I have a yogurt. Yes, let me get the yogurt. I keep forgetting the yogurt. I have this yogurt, guys. So I'm gonna add this yogurt. I'm gonna add my blueberry. Flaxseed and chia seed. Okay, add my yogurt, and this one is strawberry beet berry. So easy to use, easy to have, easy for the children to take to school. Just easy. Okay, you can try out those. I'm gonna add my milk, so I'm gonna add maybe half cup of milk. Yes. Then I'm gonna add my cube ice, and then I'm gonna blend. Put all these aside. Oh, forget to add a little sweetening. Just a little, maybe I wasn't supposed to, but just a little for the sweet tooth person. And then I'm gonna blend. And there you have it, guys, all done. Yeah, look at those. My blueberry banana smoothie all done. So I'm gonna glass this now. Look at it, guys, so pretty. Blueberry make everything looks blue or purple. Okay, so I'm gonna glass this now. Look at that blueberry-ness. Ooh, supposed to taste so good. delicious. Wow, so tasty, guys. The banana is pronouncing it. Yeah. And I give it a little taste, sweetness that you would like. Maybe you won't like it, but the other you will like it, the sweetness. Okay, so go ahead and try and whip up the smoothie. As I said before, what I use is 1 banana, some blueberry, yogurt, milk, chia, flaxseed, agave, and some cube ice, and there I have it. So delicious. So go ahead and try it, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like, share, and comment, and tell me what you think about this recipe. Okay, thank you so much, and whoosh, I'm out of here. Bye for now. See you in my next video.